My job is a passion to me. I am part of a team that saves people's life, and we are service provider to the community.
We currently employ 320 motivated, skilled individuals. Everyone is so passionate about making medicine and about maintaining quality.
Our ethos here at Cipla is caring for life, and it starts with our employees. My colleagues are very nice. They like cracking jokes every now and then. They're easy to work with. Our engineering department have highly skilled individuals, and that makes it easy for us as a team to perform our daily tasks.
Our facility's capacity is 900 million tablets or capsules per annum. Specifically being in the quality department, I need to ensure that when this product goes out there, that it will be safe and of its highest quality to the patient that's consuming it.
I feel very, very proud every day knowing that I saved a life just by working for Cipla.